Let me go ahead and get this walk over with. Felt a little resistance. So, as you all know, put that emergency fund aside of $1,000. Once you do that, start minimizing your debt. Go ahead and pay it off. Do what you can do to the best of your ability. Look into investing, building a portfolio. Have Charles Schwab, Fidelity, Moo, Webull, Acorns, anything that you could think of. And even outside of a W-2 job, they have Charles Jones, they have Merrill Lynch. So with that being said, what's going on YouTube? It is your girl Arian Brown going by Air Credit Up for the channel. And I wanted to come talk to you all today as we do this daily walk of moving our bodies. I felt a little resistance today. I did. Just got off of work. And I just wanted to go ahead and get started on this scroll in the neighborhood and let you guys know that you can start doing the research of getting the information and the knowledge to be able to understand the basics of investing, the basics of paying yourself first, the basics of doing these things strategically in order for you to maintain the flow. And also understand and realize money is a tool, credit is a tool. I don't hate it, I don't love it. I just know in order to live and survive daily, we have to have certain things in place, you know? So, work on you, for you, in order to build a better financial future, all while remaining present. That's why we are moving our bodies daily. Yeah. To get out of the resistance, gotta go ahead and get started. Because your brain will automatically default back to the setting like, I don't want to do it. It's life. So, this fly, whatever they do, yeah, they fly. So, yeah. Oh, what is that? Some mosquito or something. Yeah, definitely felt resistance. No cap. Woo. So, yeah, we got to go ahead and get this over with. And, yeah, you all looking to building. It takes time. Investing takes time, patience, and understanding that it has to sit there a while. And when you realize and understand those things, you'll be good to go. I say, look up the basics for real. It's enough out here for everybody, you know? Just gotta be willing to put yourself out there first, you know? So, yeah. Keep moving your bodies daily. Move your body 10, 15 minutes a day. The good part about a hill in the breeze in the morning, the daylight, I'm gonna get a thumbnail. So yeah, feels so good. As I say, it's a mind thing. Moving your bodies daily. You gotta shake through resistance for real. Yeah, y'all look into the information and knowledge about the things that I just talked about. You know, you will understand why it is always good to start building that. Because of course, there will be a rainy day Just having something set aside will always be there to bail you out. Not like literally bail you out, like for real. Like just to have something there. Keep your budgets in place. So much information out here to get started with, even wanting to learn about these things and stuff of that nature. Yeah, we are on this walk feeling so good. It's beautiful. I really did feel that resistance though. I was like, oh, but we on it. So yeah, neighbors coming in, all of that. Literally have to push yourself, push yourself for real. Nobody likes walking. Nobody like moving their body. Like, because when you have sat so long, it takes a long time to rewire the things that you used to do, that you've always done, and that's for anything. It takes a while. So push through, even if you don't feel like it. Keep going. That job you working, it's just a job. You're always replaceable on the job, for real. So we have to be willing to do things to keep some source of income coming in. A lot of people have the side jobs and stuff like that. Like I would typically do Lyft, but I don't do it as much as I should or as much as I need to. But today may be the day to do Lyft. You know, I've been creating a lot more content for the channel and things of that nature. You know, so I might do Lyft today. Once you are debt free, you would then be able to invest 15% of your income. We all want to be debt free. But honestly, that's why I created and keep a balance, because I understand that if I can have something going into the market, like for instance, I chose to do $5 a day. I've been doing that for 2.5, 3 weeks now. $5 a day, what is that? That's a little meal. That's a happy meal. You know, you're gonna spend $5 anyway. See, it's just how I think of things. You're gonna spend that anyway. Walk this little mini hill. So yeah. So $5 is not, hurting you at all. Versus, some people do $10 a day. Some people do $20 a week. Just depending on your financial situation. Some people do $100 a week. Some people do just to get started. That's why you do the first steps that I be telling you all. That emergency fund. Once you do that, hey, ain't no ain't no way not to be able to put something into the market. There's no way possible you can't. You tell yourself that you can't, but honestly you can. You do not have to walk around here financial literate. You do not. Financial literacy is essential. Learn these things. It's like people on the job who have 401ks. They are investing their money into the stock market. But when you open your own brokerage account, after choosing your investment vehicle, like I said, a lot of people like to go with the stock market, cryptocurrency, REITs. It's so many. Like, it is so many. But the stock market is what I put my money towards. I don't do the cryptocurrency, all that. No. And I went with ETFs, exchange traded funds. The reason why I went with ETFs is because instead of single-handed stocks, they give you a basket of stocks, variety of stocks. Like, seriously. And the sooner you start investing, the better, because of the thing called compound interest. For real. United States of America, we got to get it, you all. We got to keep going. We got to remain positive. See, it's not so bad. I'm on 11 minutes. 11:50. Yep. Not so bad. Gotta keep going when you don't want to. Just keep going. The job is only gonna pay you money that they think that you are worth to keep you coming back. Honestly, I just be like, I'm grateful and thankful to have a job. But I just be like, the things that I'm focusing on and things that I'm building will soon release me from things like this. But at the same time, I personally love to work. Like, I love having a job. It's a job. Give me something to do. Like, for real. That's why the sooner you learn and start investing, the better. No matter how much money you got. It don't take a lot of money to get started. For real. That's why I say do your research. Woo. Got that heart elevated real good. Don't be afraid to breathe and all that. So yeah. Woo. Air credit up. Air creditors. We got this. At the time of this recording, I have 68 subscribers. Thank you all so much for subscribing to the channel. Thank you all for leaving a thumbs up. It actually helped the channel reach more people. Because like I told you all, I'm not here to pull your leg. I'm not here to sell you anything. I'm not here to string you along. This is real life that we are all trying to figure out. Whew. All right. See, under 15 minutes again today. So yeah. Link will be in the description below. in order for you guys to get started with some credit funding if you are responsible. With that being said, thanks for stopping by the YouTube channel. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Leave a thumbs up. Turn on your post bell notifications. Air Credit Up, signing out. Y'all have a good day. Peace. Love you all.